India, a land steeped in history, spirituality, and architectural marvels. Its ancient stones whisper tales of devotion, artistry, and profound wisdom. Join us now as we embark on a pilgrimage, a journey through time and faith, to some of its most iconic temples. This exploration will unveil the breathtaking beauty and deep historical significance embedded within these sacred structures. Prepare to be immersed in a world where every carving, every spire, and every prayer resonates with centuries of spiritual heritage. High in the majestic Himalayas, Kedarnath Temple stands as a testament to unwavering faith. Amidst snow-capped peaks, it offers a profound spiritual experience where vibrant prayer rituals echo through the serene mountain air. Further into the mountains, Badrinath Temple bathes in the golden light of dawn, a beacon of hope and devotion. Its intricate details, carved with ancient hands, invite quiet contemplation and reverence. In the spiritual heart of Varanasi, the Kashi Vishwanath Temple reflects its divine glory in the sacred Ganges. This revered site has drawn seekers for millennia, embodying the eternal spirit of India. Ascending mountain paths, pilgrims journey to Vaishno Devi Temple, a powerful symbol of unwavering faith. It stands as a beacon of hope and strength, inspiring millions with its sacred presence. In Amritsar, the Golden Temple, Harmandir Sahib, gleams with serene beauty. Its golden dome, reflected in the tranquil Sarovar, offers a profound sense of peace and universal brotherhood to all who visit. On India's western coast, the Somnath Temple stands, its history etched deeply in stone. This ancient shrine has witnessed countless epochs, embodying resilience and enduring spiritual power. Nearby, the Dwarkadhish Temple proudly graces the coastline, a majestic abode dedicated to Lord Krishna. Its grandeur speaks of a rich past and a vibrant living tradition. In the bustling heart of Mumbai, the Siddhivinayak Temple captures the city's vibrant energy and deep devotion. It is a place where countless prayers are offered, reflecting the hopes and dreams of many. Nestled amidst serene landscapes, the Trimbakeshwar Temple showcases intricate carvings, a true testament to ancient artistry. Each detail tells a story of devotion and skilled craftsmanship. In Ujjain, the Mahakaleshwar Temple stands majestically, shrouded in an aura of profound devotion. This ancient site offers a powerful connection to timeless spiritual practices. Journeying east, the Jagannath Temple in Puri captivates with its vibrant colors and unique traditions. It is a living testament to a rich cultural heritage and deep spiritual fervor. Further along the coast, the Konark Sun Temple stands as an architectural marvel, a grand chariot dedicated to the sun god. Its intricate sculptures celebrate celestial glory and ancient wisdom. In Bhubaneswar, the Lingaraj Temple features towering spires that dominate the skyline. This magnificent structure is a prime example of Kalinga architecture, inspiring awe and reverence. The Dakshineshwar Kali Temple, with its serene atmosphere, invites quiet contemplation. It is a place of profound spiritual energy, offering solace and peace to all who enter. Tarapeeth Temple, known for its unique rituals, offers a glimpse into distinct spiritual practices. It stands as a powerful center of devotion, revered for its mystical traditions. In the vibrant city of Madurai, the Meenakshi Amman Temple dazzles with its intricate carvings and vivid colors. Its towering gopurams are adorned with countless deities, telling ancient tales. Further south, the Ramnathaswamy Temple in Rameswaram boasts long, majestic corridors, an architectural marvel. This sacred site is revered for its spiritual significance and stunning design. Perched atop Tirumal Hills, the Venkateshwar Temple in Tirupati is a powerful symbol of devotion. Millions of pilgrims ascend its paths, seeking blessings and spiritual fulfillment. The Brihadiswarar Temple in Tanjavur stands as a magnificent UNESCO World Heritage Site. Its majestic structure and intricate details showcase the pinnacle of Chola architecture. In Thiruvananthapuram, the Padmanabhaswamy Temple holds a sense of mystery and grandeur. It is renowned for its architectural splendor and the legendary treasures it safeguards. In Guwahati, the Kamakhya Temple is known for its unique and ancient rituals. It is a powerful center of Shakti worship, drawing devotees seeking spiritual strength and blessings. The Rangpur Jain Temple, with its breathtaking intricate marble carvings, is a masterpiece of artistry. Its countless pillars create a mesmerizing symphony of light and shadow. In Delhi, the Akshardham temple stands as a modern marvel, blending ancient traditions with contemporary design. Its vibrant light shows celebrate India's rich cultural and spiritual heritage. The Chennakeshav temple in Belur showcases exquisite carvings that tell stories from Hindu mythology. Each sculpture is a testament to the unparalleled skill of ancient artisans. High in the western Ghats, Sabarimala temple stands as a beacon of faith, drawing millions of pilgrims. The arduous journey to its sacred abode is a profound act of devotion. These temples, each a testament to India's rich heritage, offer a glimpse into a world of spirituality, art, and history. We hope this journey has inspired you to explore the wonders of India. May the peace and beauty of these sacred spaces resonate within you long after our journey concludes.